replace your door hinge bushings. I just did this front door here. This is the factory bushing. Looks to be aluminum. What we've noticed is we've gained squeaks in these front doors. And not that they're hard to open and close, but you can feel that they drag a little bit. So what we're going to replace that with is these brass bushings we got off of Amazon. Again, like I said, I've done this front door, made a big difference. So we're going to go over on the rear door of a JK how to go about this. So if you don't know, you need to start. There would be a bolt here that I've already removed that you need to take out of both hinges. It's a Torx headed bolt. Again, they would come out from here. We happen to have a tool set with our Jeep that has all of those sizes. So I've already removed both of these. Then you come inside, and just behind the driver, or behind the passenger seat, there's a panel. You'll pop this panel loose, and inside of there is a wire that needs to be unplugged. It's a big plug, relatively easy to unplug. You do have to work with them a little bit, and there's also a loop that keeps the door from swinging all the way open. And once I get those unhooked, I'll show them to you.
They go way up in there, but it's not terrible. Hold on just a second.
Alright, so this is the plug that you're trying to get a hold of. There is a keeper on that plug, and this is the loop that you're trying to get off of a hook that is just inside of here. It's awkward to see, but that hook does live right here. I've got my finger on it. But yeah, and then you can lift this door off. That's the easiest. And then you just put your door in a secure location.
Now we go mudding a lot, so you can see down in there the yucky stuff that gets in there. So, you know, sometimes it kind of makes your door hard to open. So we're going to remedy that with these things.
So the kit that we got came with 8 of these, 2 per door, and this tool. And what I found is that this tool is just the right size to go up and drive that out. And I've used both of these hammers now. The mallet I liked because of it being rubber, that I didn't have to worry too much with the body. But down on that lower front, I had trouble getting clearance with the rock rail in the way. So we'll try this, otherwise we might have to move to the other hammer. Let's try that again. Once it comes out, that tool just pulls right back out. And again, that's the part that we're looking to replace. The new ones, at least on that front, are that easy to put back in.
Nice.
So, we'll give this bottom one a go again and see what we get them up with. That one was much easier than the front. Again, they slip back in there. Now I'll put the door back on.
Sometimes it helps to have a second person helping you line up the holes.
And now as we go back in, we'll just feed the wire back through the hole that we had originally removed it from. You reach it. We'll feed this wire back through the hole it came out of. Feel in here, you can find where it plugs in. And then you find where this loops over your hook. right there. You can tell it's secure. Put your little cover back over it, and that's done. And so from what we're noticing is that these make a pretty big difference. The doors open smoother. Again, these are new. They don't have mud and dirt, what have you, done in them. But they are a little bit better material, and hopefully they won't squeak anymore. So this is the same procedure for all 4 doors. The front door is obviously different plug under the dash, and the same loop if you have all the factory loops and such. But yeah, same process, just go all the way around. I won't drag you with me to do all of them. So thanks for watching.